Here's something that trips up almost everyone. Every time you start a new chat, Claude has no memory of the last one. So you end up explaining the same background over and over. Let's fix that for good. The tool that fixes it is called a project. Think of it like a labeled folder. You put a few documents and some instructions inside it just once. From then on, every chat you start in that folder already knows all of it. Let's build one together. Look at the far left column. That's the sidebar. Click the word projects. This page holds every folder you create. Now click the new project button in the top right corner. Give it a name. I'll type Acme Coffee, add a short description of what it's for, and click Create Project. Here's the magic ingredient, knowledge. On the right side, find the box labeled Context and click the little plus. Choose Upload from Device and pick a file. Here's our brand guide. Claude reads the whole thing and keeps it on hand. Just above that is instructions. Click its plus and tell Claude how to behave. I'll say always write in our friendly, upbeat voice, keep it short, and mention sustainability. Then click save. That's the whole setup, and it only happens once. Now click in the message box and ask for something real. Write an Instagram caption for our new cold brew launch. And look at that. Claude already knows the drink is low acid and sustainably sourced, and it writes in our voice without me pasting a single thing. That knowledge is permanent now in every chat inside this folder. That's projects. Set it up once, and Claude stops starting from zero. This is Zero to Claude, episode 3. Tomorrow, styles, teaching Claude to write in your own personal voice. Subscribe and build your skills a few minutes a day.